Hi, and welcome. This week, you're going to be learning about something called the Big Eight, which are categories of social identifiers. These are different types of ways that we would identify as a person. And you'll be selecting one or up to three of the Big Eight to determine which ones really define you as an individual. Professor Diesel is going to be covering this when she meets with you this week.
It's important to know how you identify or what you identify most with, because as you're reading different passages, the characters, you're going to have to be able to categorize them and figure out how they identify with themselves or other characters within the literature. For the next week, we're going to be covering critical thinking and analysis of arguments. So, this is the first time in the first paper that you're really going to be focusing on how to develop an argument in a college level essay. For those of you who have written an argument paper prior to college, congratulations. But now, here is where you're going to apply the skills that you've learned thus far, whether it be in high school or thus far in college, and apply it to a persuasive essay. Also by this point, you probably have watched a number of films for this course and have read a lot of passages. In addition, you've done a lot of interpreting for meaning, such as communication and perception, gender and bias, and there have been a lot of arguments that we've already covered. But now you're going to be left up to your own toolbox to develop an essay based on an argument.